Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yeah,
Right.
fourth.
So how many nights we still have to go?
A lot.
Yeah.
12.
So you have still 12, 11 days to see and let you report to your lolo what you see is different from America. So when you come back to America, you talk to your friends, they will know that you know more than them because you learn many things from Europe. That's why what you're doing here is a classroom, but you're still traveling. You know, in a classroom, when you go to school, you learn a lot, correct? But they always say, if you travel, you learn more. Okay? So very important, how lucky you are because you will learn more in Europe. That's why Lolo spent money for all of you to come here. This is better than a school. Did you notice that? When you travel, you see many things. You observe how people eat, what they see here, what they do here, which is different from America. Then you become to see that there is a bigger picture that you see, which they do not see. Okay? So, you know what to do tomorrow. I want you all to be observed. What about the view? Did you notice the view here is different from America?
Yes.
You like the view? Those are views you never see in America.
And the siren's different.
Yes.
Oh, what did you see in the ambulance? You did not observe.
Oh, wow.
How does
They
it?
say the alarm goes hee-haw.
Oh, how does the ambulance sound in the police? How do they sound in America? Here, what do you hear? Ooh ah, ooh ah.
Wait. They don't stop in the ambulance.
What? They don't stop.
People don't stop.
They drive
Yeah.
faster.
Okay. What else?
Ambulance faster.
Yeah, they don't put hazards, correct?
Crash.
So there, I want you to see all of the difference, okay? So every night you will report to me, huh? Hey, Lolo, I saw something different.
I did.
Okay, what did you see?
The toilet flushing.
I think you like only oo here.
No.
You like oo only?
Yes.
What else? So, what about food? View.
Like
That's culture, by the way. This culture is also watching the different views. Do you see castles in America?
No.
no.
Why do they have castles here?
This is medieval took place.
Because prince and princesses.
Yeah, do you have prince and princess in America?
royalty
Oh. Why are there no prince and
It's
princess?
president and vice president.
Because there's a
Okay.
different government
It's a city.
situation.
Well, let me tell you, before here in Europe, only the rich and the rest are poor. The prince are very rich, but the poor...